Waking up every morning, new day on the rise. Body feels alive, heart beats like thunder skies. Strive for something great, push the limits high. Learning hands and minds, reaching for the sky. Vocational wisdom, crafting skills so bright. Fitness, groove, and rhythm, workout day and night. Parkour jumps and flips, defying all the walls. Self-defense, strength, standing tall, forest calls. Vocational wisdom, crafting skills so bright. Fitness, groove, and rhythm, workout day and night. Parkour jumps and flips, defying all the walls. Self-defense, strength, standing tall, forest calls. Sound in body, sound in mind, a goal that we will find. Education that inspires, burns within like wildfires. This ain't no ordinary school, it shapes the life we live. Tools and skills we gather, strength to stand, fight and give. Dreams are forged in lessons, muscle, bone and soul. A journey of the spirit, making each one whole. Books and hands together, building futures wide. Wisdom on the pathways, life and strength collide. Knowledge flows like rivers through our hearts and veins, shaping minds and bodies, breaking through the chains. Sound in body, sound in mind, a goal that we will find. Education that inspires, burns within like wildfires. Sound in body, sound in mind, a goal that we will find. Education that inspires,